Markets are about to open. The first rates on your screen. It's ITC which I think is clearly disturbing the first rates on the Nifty. 88 points off. We ordered cake and a balloon for 10,000 for the Nifty celebration. I think that'll have to wait because it's a 12% cut for ITC. It's a 13% cut for ITC, and that's what happens when you get shocked or surprised with some unexpected news. I'm really surprised with the market reaction because yesterday market knew that an increment cess was coming. The fact that we saw this re-rating in ITC stock from 280 to 350 post the GST rollout regime or post the new tax regime, I think that re-rating has completely got diluted. So ITC has gone back to June end levels. That entire 5-10 move of 15-20% what we saw on ITC, that has got completely reversed. Okay, apart from ITC, which is falling and which is falling on very, very strong volumes, what is the health of the rest of the market? And rest of the market is not looking that scary. I want to mark Jubilant FoodWorks. I want to mark JP Associates. I'm purposely picking up some of the liquid names here. Unitech is off to a good start. It's up by about 1.5%. Now let me see if I can identify something which is purely based on transaction. When I say transaction, the value of transaction. Reliance Industries, Z Entertainment, ACC is reacting to numbers, and then Ultratech is having a rub-off effect of ACC. But Jubilant FoodWorks, 100 rupee yesterday, 1% off today. And ahead of numbers, HUL is at 1168. But ITC, it has single-handedly ensured that Nifty will not go to 10,000 today.
Yeah, absolutely. It's been pegged back. I was a little taken aback by that 10% pre-open cut that you saw in the pre-open rates in ITC, and one would have thought that that's not going to get replicated. But this is one of those unique moments or rare moments when the normal trading actually pegs the stock deeper and makes it corrects deeper than the pre-open rate itself. Largely or usually the adjustment goes on in the pre-open itself and doesn't get replicated once the normal trading kicks in. But 12.5%, I think this is history. One has not really seen ITC fall the way it is today ever. 13% headed lower. That's where ITC is currently in trade. It's not just ITC, by the way. GST, you've got a Godfrey Phillips, a VST Industries. All these tobacco companies are bound to get impacted. So VST as well is down 4.25% right now. And Godfrey Phillips is the other one which should come for you on your screens, given the kind of rich valuations that Godfrey has been sitting on. Godfrey, by the way, is trading at a 37 times PE, FI 18 estimates. So look out for that as well, because the correction that also is going to be sharp. Sure enough, it is 8.5% lower for Godfrey as we speak right now. Aside of that, let's see a positive reaction in ACC. That should definitely come about. Good numbers there, and ACC has started off with a smart move, 2.5% higher. You've also got Ultratech Cement reporting its numbers today. Can Ultratech replicate what ACC did yesterday? Ultratech as well is going charged up into its numbers, 1.6% higher. Unilever also is slated to come out with its numbers today. They should be out in market hours itself. Unilever starts off about 1% or so higher. Talking about consumption, let's also see what's happening on Jubilant FoodWorks and whether or not you're seeing a continuation of that momentum. About 0.3% gain coming in for Jubilant because this has started to run up ahead of its numbers. A big move coming in the stock yesterday too. Shrey Infra, that also was the big winner yesterday. So let's see whether there's a continuation of that trend. Takes a bit of a pause today. Shrey Infra is down about 0.5% or so. But yeah, ITC, and that definitely has pegged the index